Hello everyone, welcome to the video guide of the project-based learning module of Grade 6 Diversity in Living World. In this video, we will discuss how to guide students in performing this PBL. Also, we'll explore how this PBL helps students develop 21st century skills like critical thinking, creativity, and communication while understanding plant and animal adaptations. The learning outcomes that the students will achieve after performing this PBL are as shown here. The PBL starts with the leading question: how do the structures of plants and animals help them survive in different environments? This sparks curiosity and guides students to observe, analyze, and connect concepts. This helps in building critical thinking from the very beginning. Students begin their first activity by exploring the school garden, collecting leaves, and examining parts like veins and roots. They draw detailed diagrams and describe their functions. For example, veins help in transporting water for photosynthesis. Here, creativity shines as a sketch and label, while critical thinking helps them link structure to survival. A reflective question like, what if these parts didn't function, pushes them to predict outcomes, strengthening communication as they explain their reasoning. In the second activity, students explore the structure of leaves and roots. They draw the diagrams of both leaves and roots. This involves creativity and helps students understand the relationship between the root system and the vein system in a plant. In the third activity, students analyze climates like beaches or deserts and predict adaptations. For instance, learners imagine a beach in Goa or Udupi and write down the different plants and animals they might find in that climate. Later, they write down how these animals have adapted to the climate. This activity is a powerhouse of critical thinking, as students must infer cause and effect relationships. Deeper reflective questions like how does climate change impact these adaptations help in connecting science to real world problems and thus helps in fostering problem solving skills. By the end, students revisit the leading question and answer the question based on their learning from the PBL. A sample answer is here for you. Cactus has spines that help it conserve water, and camel has thick fur that protects it from the heat of the desert. Now comes the creative space. This space lets them express their learnings, thoughts, questions, and connect them to their daily life, like noticing parallel veins in banana leaves. In this space, they jot down new questions like, can humans mimic animal adaptations? Showing how PBL fuels lifelong curiosity. Finally, 10 self-assessment questions help students reflect on their progress. This cycle of learning equips them with 21st century skills for future challenges. And that's why PBL isn't just about science, it's about thinking like a scientist. Hope this video was helpful to you, and we hope this video will help you in guiding the students. Please do visit our Teachopia application for more grade specific interesting PBLs. The link for the application is provided in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch up soon to explore more PBL guides.